Hi, this is Dr. Vera Salvatore from Salvatore Dental, and today we're going to answer some of the most common questions why dental prices may vary from one practice to another. Well, there are actually a few reasons. One of them would be dentist expertise, how long they've been doing the practice or a certain procedure, how often they do that procedure, their training level, their skill. Also, what type of technology do they have in their office? Are they high tech? Also, what kind of labs are they using? Some labs can be 5 times more expensive than a typical dental lab. Another reason for price differences are staff training or team training. Certain offices invest very heavily to train their team so that the patient experience can be comfortable and safe. And of course, there's that location. An office that's in New York City is going to have much higher prices than the one that, for example, our office in upstate New York, just because of location and the overhead fees. Well, for example, you can have a filling when it comes to material that lasts in the mouth about 2 years. And you can also have a filling that lasts in the mouth 20 years. So which filling would you rather have? The cost of material, they vary greatly, just because so much that goes into it in terms of quality, as well as different steps that allow us to bring a high quality product, or let's say a filling that lasts a long time. And of course, technology. This day and age, technology is changing daily. It's incredible, but you have to keep up with it. Things like 3D x-rays, same-day crowns, lasers, microscopes. These are all the things that were not available many years ago, but now they are. And amazing thing is that when used, they do help with proper diagnosis. They make the patient more comfortable. And of course, it's the result, longevity. How long will the patient get to keep his or her teeth? Another question that we get asked is dentist training and how long they spend time after school or specialty. Does that affect the fee? The answer is yes. In order for a dentist to train, extra years, commit to time, commit to fee that's involved with training, that improves the dentist's skill. But in result, it improves the product and it allows the patient to have a better experience, to have a long-lasting restoration or a filling or root canal or an implant. So yes, the skill is very, very important. And I would definitely, if you're looking for a dentist, I would ask how often they do a specific procedure that you're interested in, and to show you the cases, because they should have their before and afters so you can see for yourself. Well, yes, if we look at New York City, where to have an office in one of those high skyscrapers, it would be very, very expensive as opposed to our office in Malta, New York. So they unfortunately have to charge their patients a lot more just because they need to have that space, which costs a lot of money. And when it comes to team or staffing, offices that invest highly in team training, even the basics, for example, CPR, OSHA, sterilization, all of that impacts greatly on patient safety. And it's so vital that the whole team is on the same page and they're well equipped to handle any type of situation that can arise. And of course, the equipment. Equipment is amazing, especially these days. Same day crown. Patient comes in with a broken tooth. 2 hours later, they leave with a brand new tooth. There is no waiting for weeks in lab. They have that product right away. There's no need to give multiple shots or Novocaine. So that, of course, is very expensive technology, but it allows for patient to have that peace of mind, that comfort that they can achieve in one visit. If a patient is considering prices between two different offices. In order for them to compare the offices fairly, the right thing would be to see the offices, see how they operate. Is the team trained? Do they know what they're doing? How is the equipment in the office? Do they use amazing equipment and achieve great results? And ask to see before and afters. Offices should have many photos of their before and after so that the patients can see for themselves whether it's full mouth rehabilitation or an implant case, or cosmetic case, or even a simple filling. They want to be able to see for themselves to make that decision. I hope that I've been able to answer some of the most common questions when it comes to dentistry and the variation in prices. And if you're ready to see us, to come make a visit, or just to ask more questions, it's no problem at all. We're here for you. You may call us at 518-899-6068. We're here to help.